Hello. Now, in this reading, Unit 6, Lesson 3 and 4, I am reading what we wear. What we wear. Now, listen to me, and you will hear a conversation between some people, and you will learn some differences among the countries and cultures, and you'll get some information. Let's read together. What we wear. Welcome to our world. Now, have you ever thought about this question? Why do we wear what we wear? Ask yourself, have you ever thought about this question? Why do we wear what we wear? Let's ask a few people. First, Mark from Canada. What's your answer to the question? Okay, Mark. Well, we have to wear warm sweaters and thick jackets in winter because it gets as cold as -40 degrees. The summer is completely different. It is much warmer then, and we can dress more comfortably in t-shirts and jeans. But for more than half the year, we have to dress like this. This question was for Mark from Canada. Okay, let's ask more people. Next, let's ask Pedro from Venezuela. Pedro, your climate is hot all year, isn't it? So, I'm sure those thick gloves and heavy safety boots are very uncomfortable. Do you have to wear them? Yes, Pedro. Yes. And our hard hats too. Our work is dangerous. You see, in the old days we weren't as careful as we are now, and too many people died. So, now we do things more carefully and we protect ourselves as well as we can. Our protective clothing feels uncomfortable, but that's better than a terrible injury. Remember the saying, better safe than sorry. Yes, remember this, better safe than sorry. Okay, this question was for Pedro from Venezuela. And let's ask more people. And now Shilan from Kurdistan. Shilan, you have just become a nurse, haven't you? How do you feel about your uniform? I am very proud of it. Shilan says, I am very proud of it. It shows that I am part of a team that helps save lives. So I wear the uniform proudly. I always keep it clean, and I try hard to look smart at work. All of us do, and because we dress as smartly as possible, doctors and patients respect us, and that helps us to do our job better. Okay, this was Shilan from Kurdistan. The answer from Shilan. Okay, now we have one more person. Let's now go to Yoko from Japan. Yoko, why are you wearing that kimono? It is beautiful, but it is very old-fashioned, isn't it? Let's hear Pedro. Let us hear Let's go now to Yoko from Japan. Yoko, why are you wearing that kimono? It is beautiful, but it is very old-fashioned, isn't it? It is traditional, but please don't say it's old-fashioned. Our traditions are as important now as they always were. Kimonos are part of our Japanese culture, and our culture is alive and well. Another thing, we wear a kimono for important events, such as family weddings. On days like this, we want to dress as nicely as possible to show our respect for our family and friends. If we don't try our best, it is like saying they aren't important. That's very perfect saying. If you don't try your best, it's like they aren't important. Okay, now we have the summary and we have some questions. What do people wear? What is the name of the TV program? What question does the presenter ask? Copy these questions and answer. More questions? Read and complete with the correct names. Number 1. Which one is wearing clothes that may protect him from an injury? 2. Which one has dressed specially for a special day? 3. Which one wears clothes that show she is part of a special group? They are easy questions. 4. Which one is wearing clothes that are right for the weather? Number 1. Pedro. Yes. Number 2. Yoko. Yes. Number 3. Yes. Shilan. Number 4. Excellent, Mark. Okay. I hope you got 12. See you in the next coming videos. Thanks for listening and reading. Goodbye.